Class, our next topic is find percentage of a given number. So in exercise 12.4 I am taking the question number 1a part, which is find percentage of a given number. So here the question is 25% of 40. It means given number is 40 and you have to find the percentage. Find percentage is 25%. So how we find the percentage of 40? For that you have to write your question like this: 25% of 40, and you all know 25% means class 25 upon 100, because the sign of percentage means 1 upon 100. I told you earlier of 40, so 25 upon 100 of means class multiply by 40, and I told you earlier if this is a fraction then convert this also in fraction. So now you have a numerator and denominator. So now you can solve this. 25 1 ja 25, 25 4 ja 100, and 4 10 ja 40. So 10 is the 25% of 40. So this is your answer. Now I am taking question number C, that is 30% of 90. So class, 30% of 90 means 30% means 30 upon 100 of 90. 30 upon 100 of means multiply 90. So 30 upon 100 is a fraction, so convert this also in fractions. So by taking 1 as a denominator I can convert this 90 into fraction. So now you all know if there is a multiplication of two fraction, multiply numerator with numerator and multiply denominator with denominator. So I can cancel this 0 from this 0, this 0 from this 0. 3 into 9, 27 is your answer. Now find the following: 25% of 80 kilogram. In this time class your given number is 80 and you have to find the 25% of that given number. So how we solve this? So 25% of 80 kilogram means class 25% means 25 upon 100 of 80 kilogram. So 25 upon 100 into 80 upon 1 kilogram. So numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. So 25 1 ja 25, 25 4 ja 100, and 4 20 ja 80. So 20 kg is the 25% of 80 kg. It means the 25% of 80 kg is 20 kg. And now class, question number C, 20% of 400 liter. So 20% means class 20 upon 100 of 400 liter. So 20 upon 100 into 400 upon 1 liter, multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 100 4 ja 400, so 24 ja 80 liter. So 80 liter is the 20% of 400. Our next topic is finding the percentage of metric measurement. So class, why they give you this topic, metric measurement? Because we all know in metric measurement we are talking about different kind of measurements, and it's very important class, those measurements are relate with each other. So class, from exercise 12.4, this is question number 3, A part. 5 complete 1 upon 3% of 75 kilogram. The meaning is 16 upon 3% of 75 kilogram. 16 upon 3 percentage means 1 upon 100 of 75 kilogram. So 16 into 1 upon 3 into 100, numerator into numerator upon denominator into denominator of 75 kilogram. And now solve this. Of means class multiply by 75 kilogram. The meaning is 75 upon 1 kilogram. So numerator into numerator upon denominator into denominator. So 3 into 100 into 1. So now solve this. 25 3 ja 75, 25 4 ja 100, 4 4 ja 16, 3 to 3 cancel. So the meaning is 4 kilogram. So your answer is 4 kilogram. So class, question number 3rd, C part. 1 complete 1 upon 2% of 40 meter. So 3 upon 2% of 40 meter means 3 upon 2 into 1 upon 100. In the place of percentage, we can use 1 upon 100 of 40 meter. So by solving this, we will get 3 upon 2 into 100 into 40 upon 1. So 3 into 40, numerator into numerator, and 2 into 100 into 1. Denominator into denominator into denominator. So we can solve this. We can cancel 0 from 0, 2, 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10. So the answer is 3 upon 5 meter. So class, your answer is 3 upon 5 meter. So divide 3 by 5. Divide this 3 by 5. How to divide, class? We put the decimal, we increase 0. So 5 6 ja 30. And class, 0.6 or we can say 0.6 meter is your answer. So question number E is 3 complete 1 upon 3 percentage of 900 kilometers. So the meaning is 10 upon 3 percentage of 900 kilometer. We solve that mixed fraction into fraction. So the meaning is 10 upon 3. In the place of percentage, we can use 1 upon 100 of 900 kilometer. So 10 into 1 and 3 into 100 of 900. So of means multiply. So 900 upon 1, and we multiply all the numerator and all the denominator. Now we can solve 100, 9 ja 900, 3 3 ja 9. So 3 10 ja 30 kilometer is our answer. So class, in this time it's a simple answer, it's not in fraction, so we just use that unit as it is. 30 kilometer is your answer. And now question number F, 2 complete 1 upon 6 percentage of 360 kiloliter. By solving this mixed fraction, we will get 13 upon 6 percentage of 360 kiloliter. So 13 upon 6 into 1 upon 100 of 360 kiloliter, multiply 360 upon 1 kiloliter, multiply all the numerators, multiply all the denominators. So solve this. 0 to 0 cancel, 6 6 ja 36, and 2 3 ja 6, 2 5 ja 10. So class, we will get 13 3 ja 39 upon 5 kiloliter. So solve this. 39 divide by 5. So 5 7 ja 35, 4, put the decimal. So increase 1 0, 5 8 ja 40. So it means class 7.8 kiloliter is your answer. And class, our question number 4 is convert to percentage. And first question is rupees 60 of rupees 240. It means if we are talking about rupees 60, then rupees 60 is how much percentage of rupees 240. So class, there is very important point. To convert percentage, your unit should be same. Like in this time your unit is rupees, your unit is rupees. So there is no problem. But how we solve that? For that, class, if I am asking you a simple question, suppose you are getting 2 marks out of 10. Then how you write that? 2 upon 10. Like this. So this is your marks out of 10. So the same procedure you will follow here also. Your rupees 60 out of 240. And you want to calculate the percentage. So again, if I am talking about this, you will get 2 out of 10. So how you convert this in percentage? For that, you multiply this by 100. Suppose class, you will get 2 marks. So 2 upon 10 into 100 means 100 upon 1. Solve this. 10 into 10. So 10 into 2, that is equal to 20%. So class, by multiplying 100%, you will get the answer. So class, if you get 2 out of 10 and if you want to convert that in percentage, then at that time you multiply that by 100 and write percentage. Because 100% means class, 100% means 100, and you all know the meaning of sign of percentage. The meaning of percentage means 1 upon 100. So 100 into 1 upon 100 means 1. So there is no change in the value, but you can write your answer in the form of percentage. So 2 upon 10 into 100% upon 1. that is equal to 2 into 100 upon 10 into 1, and that is equal to 20%. By solving this you will get 20%. Suppose you will get 5 marks out of 10. At that time again you multiply this by 100%. So solve this directly. I am solving this in this time. 10 10 ja 100 and 10 5 ja 50. So 50%. So you can see 5 is 50% of 10. So by the same process you can solve this question. By multiplying 100% you will get the answer in percentage. So the answer is 60 into 100 upon 240, because 100% means 100 upon 1. So solve this. 0 to 0 cancel, and if we solve this, 2 12 ja 24, 2 5 ja 10 and 12 5 ja 60. So 5 5 ja 25%. So 60 rupees is 25% of 240. And class, your question number B is 500 ml of 4 liter. So as I told you earlier class, your unit should be same to find the percentage. So we have to convert 4 liter into ml. So that is equal to 4 into 1000 ml, that is equal to 4000 ml. So now our question is just like 500 ml of 4000 ml. So how we calculate that in percentage? I told you by multiplying 100% you will get the answer in percentage. So 500 upon 4000, ml and ml cancel. So multiply this by 100%. 500 upon 4000 into 100 upon 1%. So 500 into 100, numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. So 0 0 0 0 cancel, 0 to 0 cancel. So it's 50 upon 4. So 50 upon 4 means class 225 ja 50, 2 2 ja 4, in up 25 upon 2%. So 25 upon 2 means class 12 complete 1 upon 2%, or we can say 12.5%. So you can write any percentage, 12.5 or 12 complete 1 upon 2.